This is an eastern hemlock tree, and it's located directly between the house and where the homeowners want their fire pit. They love this tree, and they're going to do everything they can to protect it. Hemlocks are native to America, and they're one of the few conifers that like shade. But recently, hemlocks have been under assault by a non-native bug called the Wooly Adelgid, and it's killing them all up and down the East Coast. And we have arborist Josh Fritz here today to make sure that doesn't happen to our tree.
How you doing, Jen?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Excellent, so what have you found?
I'm not really seeing the Adelgid yet on this tree. I am seeing some defects on the canopy. So I suggest to put some cabling in there to support that defect. Other than that, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, this health looks great. I mean, let's check out the needles over here.
Sure.
And you can show me how we could locate, what is the Wooly Adelgid.
Okay. This is a perfect example of Hemlock Woollyadelid.
Yes.
You can see all the little white fuzz all over the stem of the needles right there.
Yep.
You can see how the needles are starting to yellow. So those insects are actually pulling out all the chlorophyll in the needle.
They're just decimating it and destroying it.
Causing those needles to drop.
So you see like one egg sac, how many insects
There's
in one
at least
sac?
1,000 in those insects.
So you're telling me one of these white little puffy balls has thousands in them?
Correct. Yeah.
All right, so how are we gonna get rid of these guys?
Basically, I'm gonna use horticultural oil.
Okay.
What it does is it actually dries them out.
Suffocates it.
Yeah. And it takes multiple applications to get it controlled. So yeah, this little white fuzz is gonna stay on the tree probably a year or two.
Right.
And it'll naturally drop off.
So maybe 2 treatments a year. You have to do
3.
it in the cold weather, right?
Yeah, you do. Ideally, do it early in the spring because they are active. You also come back in the fall because they're active then. In the summer, they're kind of dormant. It's a cool season insect, so it doesn't really want to hang out during the hot summers.
Right. You want to show me how you're going to spray it?
Sure.
Josh is spraying mineral oil, so he doesn't need to wear a respirator. And can you tell me what percentage of the oil there is?
Sure, it's a 2% oil. So it's 2% oil, the rest of it's water.
It's great that it's safe, and we thank you for coming out because this is such an important thing to do.
Yeah, just let it dry in about a half hour and you can have a picnic right underneath.
Perfect, perfect.
Right?
I'd like to hear that.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.